Somalia was previously a central hub for banana exports in Africa. With the industry employing over 120,000 workers and exports worth $96 million, Somali banana production reached its peak between 1987 to 1990, exporting mainly to Italy and Middle Eastern countries. Despite a once flourishing banana industry, the onset of civil war in the 90s, combined with severe El Niño floods, brought the banana export industry to a standstill in 1997. Currently, with the help of international communities and donor agencies, there has been various attempts to revive the banana exports in Somalia, but with little success. Banana sector has yet to reach its full potential, ensuring food security, employment creation, and export earnings. Across the various activities in the banana value chain, there are a series of constraints which have driven away potential attraction for employment and investment. Some of these constraints are: 1. Limited skills and capacity in production processes. 2. Lack of infrastructure and technologies. 3. Post-harvest processing and storage. 4. Limited access to finances. 5. Poor overall market conditions. Although the list of constraints in the Somali banana sector seem numerous, they also present many opportunities for investors, returning diaspora and government to expand this sector into a more globally competitive market. Moreover, there is now, more than ever, a growing market for women and youth, and opportunities for the overall entrepreneurial nature of the Somali people. Of these, solutions and opportunities include: 1. The introduction of improved and high-yielding tissue culture seedlings and varieties that meet customers' preference. 2. The adoption of new best management practices. 3. The adoption of international quality assurance standards such as Global GAP, EU MRL, and food safety regulations. 4. Strengthening of the Banana Producers Association and linking them to the various players in the value chain. 5. Finally, as previously mentioned, the banana sector offers new hope and opportunity for women, as this sector attracts 70% of women employment in agriculture.